Hello guys! Today I will handle the recursive methods. What they are, how to use them, but most important, how to implement them. A recursive method is a method which calls itself. In Java, there is no specific syntax to allow a method to call itself. Nevertheless, there are a few design patterns that must be followed to correctly implement a recursive method. The most common example of a recursive method is the factorial operation. Multiply all the numbers from 1 to n. The usage of the recursive method to implement the factorial is the following. Take the input number I want to obtain the factorial. Obtain the factorial of this number minus 1. Multiply the previous result by my input number. Let's implement it. Here I got my recursive method. Factorial is called inside factorial. But wait, until when I call factorial? The most important thing in a recursive method is the termination condition. If I leave this method as it is, it will decrease the input parameter forever, without exiting the method. I know that the factorial of 0 and 1 is 1. I also know that the factorial is the multiplication from 1 to the given number. So I must stop at 1. This is the most important line in a recursive method, the termination condition, and it must be written first. If I call the recursive method before the termination condition, I may stay in the method forever. And now the most important part, practice with this concept. As for all the videos of this playlist, you have below an assignment and some unit tests to validate the assignment. Read carefully what's asked, implement the recursive method and run the tests as follows. When done, you have the answer in another link in the video's description. And see you in the next video. Bye!